Hey friends! In this quick Bitget Sign Up tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your Bitget account, complete KYC step-by-step, and unlock up to 6,200 USDT in new user rewards. If you're new to Bitget or you just want a clean, safe setup from the start, this is for you. And yes, the registration link is in the description, and don't forget to enter the referral code VUGP when you sign up to qualify for the best perks. Why Bitget? Because you want a trusted exchange with strong security, smooth onboarding, and great promotions for beginners. Completing KYC on Bitget unlocks higher withdrawal limits and access to full features, so you can trade confidently from day one. Most importantly, with the right setup, you can access up to 6,200 USDT in rewards. Don't miss it. This is one of the most generous welcome packages right now. Before we begin, make sure you have 1. Your government-issued ID or passport. 2. A well-lit space for a clear selfie. 3. A stable internet connection. 4. Your email or phone number for verification. And remember, use referral code Bitget Sign Up. If you skip it, you might miss part of the rewards. On desktop, open the official Bitget website. Click Sign Up, choose how you want to register email or phone number. Enter your details and type referral code VUG where it asks for referral code. Create a strong password. Check your inbox or messages for the verification code, then confirm. That's your Bitget account created nice and simple. Prefer mobile? Open the Bitget app from your official app store. Tap Sign Up, pick email or phone registration, enter your info, and fill in referral code VUG. Verify with the code they send you. Set a strong password. Great, your app account is now active. Secure your account. Highly recommended. Now let's protect your funds. Go to Security and enable two-factor authentication, Google Authenticator or SMS plus email verification. Add anti-phishing codes and consider additional protection options offered in the Security Center. A secure start saves you headaches later. Next, let's complete KYC. Go to Identity Verification or KYC in your profile. Select your country or region, then choose your ID type, ID card, driver's license, or passport. Follow the prompts to upload the front and back of your document. When asked for a selfie or liveness check, make sure your face is centered, well lit, and without filters. Submit and wait for review. This can be quick, but sometimes it takes longer depending on volume. When KYC is approved, you'll see a confirmation inside your account. Claiming rewards up to 6,200 USD. Once your KYC is approved, head to the Rewards, Benefits, or New User section in your account. You'll see the welcome tasks or bonuses available to you. Complete the simple steps listed like first deposit or first trade if required by the promotion in your region. Remember, the total package can go up to 6,200 USDT depending on current campaigns and your eligibility. If you don't see the rewards right away, recheck the tasks, refresh the page, or contact support. If your ID photo is rejected, retake it in a bright space with all corners visible, no glare. No blur. If your name or birthday doesn't match your document, correct the info and resubmit. Not receiving the email or SMS code? Check spam, ensure your phone has signal, and request a new code after a short wait. If KYC is pending for a while, be patient and review notifications. Bitget usually tells you what to fix. If this Bitget Sign Up and KYC guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials and bonuses. Your registration link is in the video description, and the referral code is VUG. Enter it during sign up to make sure you qualify for the best new user rewards. Drop a comment if you want me to cover deposits, first trade, copy trading, or fee-saving tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside Bitget. Quick reminder, cryptocurrency trading involves risk and can result in losses. Only trade what you can afford to lose. Always do your own research.